What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to create cinematic videos with the help of NotebookLM. So, if you don't know it already, NotebookLM is Google's own AI research tool, and it's one of the, honestly, the best. I prefer it over ChatGPT or Claude when I'm trying to research and gain knowledge about things. Okay. Now, the best part about NotebookLM is that you can create PPTs, you can create infographics. I have a ton of videos around this, but in this particular video, I'm going to talk about how to create cinematic videos with the NotebookLM. So let's go into it. I'll show you exactly how they work. So I'll open one of the uh, basically notebooks that I've created about LinkedIn strategy, how master algorithms, hooks, whatever, all of this. Okay. Now, on the right side, there is something called as a video overview. All you gotta do is click on video overview and then it shows up. Now there are three of these. There is explainer that they used to actually create like a PPT around it. Brief is more like, I mean, I never used brief, but they have this new feature called cinematic. Now it is available on the pro version only. I would highly recommend upgrade to a Google AI Pro version. You'll be more than happy. Okay, so let's say the video customization will be more about, give me uh, give me a step by step guide to build a personal brand on LinkedIn in 2026, right? And hit generate. Now, this one, it takes a little bit of time. It's, you know, among all the videos that NotebookLM could generate, normally an explainer video gets ready within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the amount of data that you've fed in, obviously. This one takes almost like 15, 20, sometimes 30 minutes. I mean, that's when I tested it a couple of weeks ago. I hope it is faster now. Although I've seen it depends on the amount of research, the sources that you have put in, the kind of content that you're creating. So that's that. So I'll get back to this video as soon as that is done and let's see the results. All right, so our LinkedIn video is ready. Let's have a look. All right, this is how it looks like. Let me just play it for you.
Organic reach on LinkedIn has collapsed by 50%. The era of the viral growth hack is over. The platform now operates on the Nexus update. This algorithm actively suppresses generic content, shifting reach toward accounts that demonstrate depth and expertise. In 2023, creators optimized for mass views. In 2026, the goal is to build a systematic personal brand that complies with these new architectural filters. Aligning your profile with this system, like ChatGPT, to find specialists.
All right, so as you can see, this is pretty dope. Now, the best part is here you rarely see the Notebook LM logo. It's even if you do see, it is very feeble. And you can obviously edit that part out, put your channel name, and you can use this to do two things. Create your own course videos, YouTube videos. You can literally create, publish them on YouTube and monetize it if you want. And one of the best ways I know you can use this is create very high performing VSLs using this kind of a this particular tool. Now I'm still experimenting with it, and in the future videos I'll show you how you can use this even more effectively. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel because I'll be publishing more such videos for you.